Hi everyone, thanks for stopping back by today to see what I am going to be unbagging. And what I have is new to the channel, and it came in this black bag. And when I opened it just a few seconds ago, it came in this little cute bag right here. And this company is called, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, Kloxet, Kloxet. This is a monthly jewelry subscription, which I figured I wanted to try another one so that it's always not mint mongoose. Let's try something else. This is $20 a month. You receive 5 items, free shipping, and you fill out a style profile, style quiz, and then you receive your bag. So I'm going to read what they state on their website. Hand-picked fashion jewelry accessories that fit perfectly your lifestyle, taste, and budget. Our professional stylist will select top trending jewelry pieces based on your personal style and fashion look. And every month you will receive 4 to 5 beautiful items for $20, and they are all yours to keep. So you don't have to return anything. And I just joined this in June, so this I just received it to the end of June, so you'll see this in July. And when I unzip the bag, this is what I see. I wasn't expecting a little bag here, so that's interesting. So this is a cute little, I guess you could travel with your jewelry or use it as a makeup bag, so I'm not angry at that at all. Since we have some jewelry, let's get our little jewelry thing when this thing gets so dusty. And let's just see what we have here. I don't know where to start. Let's start with, just pick one. Cute little black bags. And there was like the foam bubble in the bag, like the individual pieces to help protect. So this is what I see inside. So it looks like some things are in little plastic bags and some are not, but they're all inside the black pieces, the black bags. Ooh. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do these justice, and I will hold these up right here. Wow, let's see if I can get these. And these are like, you just open it up and put it through your ear. Let me see if I can open it to show you right there. Like that. Ugh, I don't know if I can hold it up. That style, you just open it and put it in your ear. I don't know if I'm going to be able to put that on my little... I think I just might have to hang them from the top. Yeah, I might be able to get it in through the little holes if I can find them. No, I think I'm just going to have to hang them off the top here, just so that I can show you these up against black. I don't know if that's going to work. Nope. Got to figure this out. I don't want to break anything here. These are really cute. So what I'm going to do is just see if I can hold them up against the black. And the drops have little silver, I guess they're rectangles. And then the top one sort of has a gemstone in it, and there's 2 different layers there. These are really cute. Where's the other one? Uh-oh. Oops, I dropped it. Of course I did. I was like, oh no, where's the other earring? These are adorable. Love them. How cute. Hopefully you can see that with the movement. I love them. Absolutely love them. Let's get them back near their bag so that I don't lose anything. And let's see what these are. Another pair of earrings, I see. These feel a little weightier. And let's see, these are a shepherd's hook. Let me see if I can show you these. Like a shepherd's hook, and these are just like a drop. And these are a little weightier, not super heavy. They don't feel it. And I'm just gonna. And they came on a little card. So we'll just put them right there, and just a plain silver drop. Now they're cute. Longer hair, shorter hair. I think these would be adorable. Get them back on the card. So this is what they look like. movement. I like those. And let's open this. This looks like a necklace. Oh, okay, so now those earrings make a little bit more sense. So here's a necklace, and this is lobster claw clasp with a little tag on it, and this is more like a snake chain, but here's the actual necklace. So that's where the bar and circle come in with the earrings to match. So I guess you could, you know, have it just drop down like that. Hopefully you guys can see that. So then these earrings would come into play with this, where they're not 100% match, but there's your little bit of cohesive. And then this just comes, you know, you put it around your neck. You don't even have to take the clasp off if you don't want to. Why? It just fits right through. And then I guess you could wear it however you wanted. Like if you wanted to have it drop further down, I guess you could. Interesting. And these are all in silver, by the way. And this, I'm trying to think if this is just, yeah, it's all silver. I love that. Love, love, love. Unusual pieces, not something you're going to see on everyone or in every other subscription. So that is interesting. What is this? It looks like we have another necklace. Oh, this is nice. And this is on another snake chain. So here's your lobster claw clasp snake chain. And then this is the design here, abstract. And there is gold in the center and silver. So you can, I love the snake chains. That's not something you see too often. Just going to try to hold that up. So there's that right there. Very pretty. Not real heavy. A little bit of weight so it will stay in place. Oh, I like that a lot. Okay. Love. And then we have the last bag. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 5 items here. Let's see what these are. Oh my. Look at these. These are earrings. Look how cute. I'm not even going to hold them. Well, maybe I will hold them up against the black so that you guys can see them a little bit better. Look at those. They are adorable. I love them. And lightweight. And these have different textures. So this ball here is like shiny. Then this is textured. And that top one is textured. But I love the shape of the top. And they are shepherd's hook. Definitely interesting. I love those. And with my hair up, I would wear them. They're not too long. With my hair down, you would still see them. I get my hair cut, I think the 7th, July 7th was the first appointment. I think my hairdresser's salon is opening July 1st. And that was the first appointments that we could get. And I still don't know what I want to do. I so want to get my hair brought back up above my shoulders, but then I'm like, oh, I like being able to wear it up. So I don't know what I'm going to do. You'll find out after I get my hair cut and I film. Honestly, I never know until I sit in the chair what I'm going to do. So these are adorable. I love them. And the movement would be so much fun. Imagine something like this, like on a New Year's or for a special occasion, a wedding, to wear them to somebody's wedding. With a cute dress. Oh, I love them. Love, love this subscription. Thank you. Finally, a great jewelry subscription. I mean, I always will love my Mongoose. Tried another one and it was a massive fail. And I was hesitant about trying this one, but I'm happy I did. I love every piece. And even if I didn't love every piece, I can share them with friends or family. I can include them in a giveaway. But I love everything, and unique, not something you see every day on every person and that you could wear casually, a little more dressed up. I love them. I think if I had to pick a favorite, I would pick these just because they're so dainty and still have tons of movement. I don't know, necklace wise, probably something like this because it is like more like a like those lariat or those like Y type where you get movement, plus the earrings that match. I love the snake chains. Like this one, if I wanted to take, I wonder if it would work. If you could take it off. Probably, if I just wanted to put another pendant on, this pendant might come off. But I do like this. I think it's very unusual. It's not really a star. It's almost reminds me of like, I don't like tree limbs, but yet starfish. It really depends on how you look at it, but I love it. And for $20, I get all 5 pieces. A bargain. $4 a piece. I'm not going to complain. I would spend $4 for these earrings and $4 for these, and 3 pair of earrings and 2 necklaces. I would spend $4 for them if I sold them in Target or in, let's say, a Claire's, or if I even went into Macy's and saw something like this, I would probably spend more than $4. So why don't you give this one a try? I will leave their website down below. I don't have any kind of referral link or anything like that. So I will leave all their information in the description box if you're interested. I think this is a great one to get. $20, you get 5 items, and they're all very cohesive. Earrings and necklace match. Two other, these fancy earrings are just very intriguing for me. I just think they're adorable. More a special occasion for me, not an everyday earring, but how fancy would that be with your hair up to have something like these on out? You know, like I said, a wedding or New Year's Eve or any kind of party, holiday time. I just think they're totally adorable. Totally adorable. I love. Do these move? Like I said, they're adorable. I love them. I'm enamored by them. I can't stop looking at them. I think they are adorable. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you love this one as much as I am enjoying this. Can't wait to try all these on and wear them. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching and stick until the end with me. And I hope everyone is doing well, and see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.